Good morning, guys.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, guys. We are back with another McDonald's haul.
This one finally had some different items, so we're excited.
We're super excited. We're here in Budapest, Hungary, and we're super excited. We've got a bunch of different items to try. And right off the bat, I want to say that McDonald's in Hungary, you have won some points because I am an alliteration girl. I love them. I think they're so fun and cute. And right on your menu, you've got Gusto Greg, Ranch Rebecca.
Well, Bruce, that's what I ordered.
You guys are just killing it. So right off the bat, thumbs up from us. So we've got a bunch of different items we're going to try here. What do you want to start with today?
Let's start with the...
What do you want to start with today?
Let's start with the wrap because it's already kind of open. So
Perfect. So while Tyler's trying that, I'm going to explain our little rating system. Thumbs up means we liked it, it's good. Thumbs down means we did not like it, it was terrible or kind of bad. I want to say this is filled with cheese bites. Interesting.
3, 2, 1. That was so good. I like the cheese in there.
Double thumbs up for me. That was delicious. I really wasn't sure if I'd like it because that's kind of a lot of cheese.
Me and Deborah are going to have to fight over that. Who gets to eat that one? Because that was...
I call the rest.
No!
Next up,
Yep.
Let's go fries. They've got some awesome waffle fries here, which is one of the main reasons I like Chick-fil-A, so I'm excited to try those. I don't think we got any sauce though.
Yeah, we did.
We got garlic sauce. This was one of the options they offered for dipping sauces. We have not seen that before, so I'm gonna try one bite plain and one bite with the
I
garlic.
was just going to say we had to try it both ways.
That almost exploded.
Yep. 3, 2, 1. That was good. That garlic sauce is delicious.
The fries by themselves are good. The fries with the garlic sauce are even better.
Oh, yeah.
I think we're gonna have to smuggle some back. Super good. Not too strong. Really delicious. Yeah, I don't know. The foods we've been having here at McDonald's Budapest and in McDonald's Prague have both been incredible. Definitely go watch the Prague one because they had some really great foods also.
Deborah made me get this one, so I'm going to let her try
No,
this
I
one
don't.
first. Yeah, you
I
got
don't
to
want
try
to
it.
try it first. No, not first. I don't want to try it first.
So this is a pork burger, like the value menu pork burger.
It looked terrible.
Yeah, it did, but she made me grab it.
We have to try the food items even if they look bad. You gave that to me really quick.
Your turn. Big bite.
No.
Dude. Yeah, that's not good.
I think I jinxed us.
Yeah. We knew that, though. I knew that. I was not wanting to order that, but Deborah really wanted me to order.
We have to try the different stuff. It was a different menu item. Just the meat texture,
Yeah.
flavor, not that great.
Nope.
I'm gonna give that back to you. We only have 3 items left before we go back for dessert. 4 items left. But technically I tried one the other day, so. So let's try that one. Crispy chicken salad.
Wow, it looks like you got extra, like, cheesing. Oh, no, that's chicken.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't actually like croutons in my salad, so I'm gonna leave that to Tyler. And we've got some Caesar dressing here. Can I sprinkle it or?
Sprinkle it, yeah.
Yeah, can
I
I?
want to see the sprinkle.
Three, two, one.
That's a good salad. That chicken's very good.
Yeah, I always love a good salad. The chicken in it is actually pretty good. It does not beat the goat cheese salad in Andorra,
That was delicious.
but it's pretty good. 3 things left.
These are cheese bites with blueberry sauce.
Basically like mozzarella sticks, but triangle shape.
Cheers. Three, 2, 1. I will say, if it was just the blueberry sauce, I would probably put a thumbs down. I did not like the blueberry sauce.
I wasn't sure totally. The blueberry sauce is very different with the
Yeah.
cheese, but it kind of grew on me. Like the aftertaste is almost like blueberry cheesecake. So like it was kind of good, but I'm still like kind of in between. Moving on, I'm gonna pick the one I don't want to end on.
Yeah, me too.
because I know this one's just gonna like not be great. Carrot slices. This is like one of their sides. And it literally looks like raw, plain carrot slices.
Go ahead.
Didn't want to end on that note. I
She's just gonna drop them all over the floor.
almost lost all the carrots. All right, I'm choosing yellow.
I'll choose orange.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, 3.
It's still chewing.
It's all right. 3, 2, 1. That was terrible. Those are not good. Don't get those.
They're so dry and they're so bitter.
I even put one in the garlic sauce and it wasn't any good.
So bad. Just get the fries. You're eating another one?
I have to eat them.
Very last item today is the bold goose.
My favorite name.
I'm pretty excited for this one. I think it's like a regular double cheeseburger with like poppy seed bun, bacon, lots of cheese.
I'm pretty sure there's pickle and onions on there too.
Yeah.
She stole the pickle.
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I loved that one. If they're ever gonna have the wrap, I'll have that one. That one is delicious.
The flavor is not bad. It's just, it felt like a lot of meat. There's a bit of a kick, which I liked, but it was just too much meat for me.
Yeah. If you like meat,
Get the Bruce.
yeah.
We're going to finish up here and then we're going to go back and get some things for dessert.
Yeah.
So see you in a bit. We are back, and although we didn't get all the different kinds of desserts, which there were a few that looked actually really good.
We might have gained 50 pounds if we would ate all those desserts.
So we ended up getting 2 desserts. One off their special menu. I think it was like mango. It looked orange. And then like a chocolate super McFreeze.
All right, which one should we try first?
This one?
Sure.
There's a ton of whipped cream. I don't like whipped cream personally. I'm gonna try some of the other bit of it. It looks so messy. 3, 2, 1.
That is so good. I love chocolate though.
Don't know what else you expected from a dessert, but all right, last thing of the day. I'm gonna take the whipped cream off it a little bit. Again, this one's also very messy.
You didn't like that one?
No, I really wanted to, but there's like these crispy sugar rocks or something.
It's like pie crust. It's supposed to be like graham cracker. Tastes like it to me and they're really good.
I don't like them. So you can have that. Anyways, we've really, I don't know, we've had a good time just trying all these different foods around the world, and it's just been a fun little adventure we get to do. We love getting to try them and have this little fun thing with you guys. So if you enjoyed that one or you want to see other McDonald's, we've still got a couple months left of our world trip, and we can't wait to share them with you guys. So make sure to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Tyler.
That wasn't me.
Wait, no. I was trying to cheat. Again. Are you hungry today?
I'm very hungry.